Now that you have created the content, it is time to create the video. I will use the iMovie app on my iPad to create my video. You can also use the Clips app to create your video as well. First, tap on Create Project, then Movie. On the left, you have your media sections. It is important to note that you need to make sure the video and images that you want to use for your video is actually on your iPad or the device you'll be using. Tap on all the files that you want to put into your video. Make sure you are tapping the files in the order which you want them to be placed in your video. For example, I want this file to be first, so I will tap this one and then continue. When you are done, tap on Create Movie. Now you can see your files in the video timeline at the bottom. I'm going to play my video now. As you can see, each clip has a Ken Burns effect enabled. The Ken Burns effect is a type of zooming effect that is used to make images more dynamic. You can disable this effect by tapping on the clip and tap on Ken Burns enabled. You can also see that transitions were automatically added to your video. You can change the speed or the type of transition by tapping on the button between the clips. Now I need to add an additional file. I'm going to tap on the plus button at the top right. Reorder the files in your timeline by holding and dragging them to the correct location. Now I need to record myself explaining each scene. To do this, tap on the mic, then record. Record yourself reading off what you plan to say from your storyboard. You can then accept the recording if you liked it, review it, or retake it. The camera icon next to the microphone icon will allow you to take pictures or shoot video, and then add it to your video timeline. To change the length of a clip, you can tap on a clip and drag the yellow ends to make it longer or shorter. For both images and videos, you can add text by tapping on the clip and then titles. You can also add filters to the clip. Only for video clips, you can split them into two separate clips by scrolling in the timeline to position the playhead, the white line, where you want to split the clip. Tapping on the clip, then tap Actions, and then Split. For video clips, you can also change the volume, as well as the speed of the clip. If you want to remove a clip, tap on it and then tap the trash can bin on the far right corner. If you ever make a mistake, tap on the undo button on the right above the timeline. Additionally, you can add music and then choose the song that you want in the background of your video. You can tap on the music clip to make any changes like volume. Let's say I'm finished. Tap Done, tap the Share button, and then Save Video and choose the export size. In your iPad's Photos app, you will find your video, and then you can share it through any platform you choose.